So working with turkey vultures, damn it. Hi, Cordelia. That was my wild pet crow, Cordelia. Thank you, Cordelia. So working on bird ottery. And also making it sunny. And there is Cordelia. Hi, Cordelia. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi. Thank you, Cordelia. I love you. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hello. So that was Cordelia. That's pretty awesome. There's that little birdie. Anyways, working on bird ottery with all different kinds of birds today for healing and protection. So when the birds fly over, thank you, military Nereus, over here to the cop shop, and then they fly back, they send out the protection and healing. Thank you, military Nereus. Isn't that pretty? You can always work with nature. Hi, Cordelia. She's over there again. Thank you, Cordelia. Crows and turkey vultures are a good omen from the spiritual world, from your guardians and your ancestors. It takes a few minutes to get all the birds over here and in line for each different tasks that they do. Thank you, military Nereus.